Hello, viewers. How are you? I hope you're doing excellently well, especially to our teachers at Kaduna Cambridge Academy. You're welcome to another session of KCA Ed Tech session, where we are exploring how to use the Google Classroom to create our quizzes and assignment and be able to make our life much more easier as teachers. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use the ChatGPT and Google Form in order to create Google Drive, Google Form, ChatGPT, and Google Form Builder for Google Classroom in order to make your life much more easier. About 4 or 5 things we're going to explore how to use all these resources in order to create our own quizzes and even our CBT upcoming mid-semester CBT exams. If you're ready, let's get started. Please follow the steps one by one until you master it. It is going to benefit you, I believe, while you work with us here at Kaduna Cambridge Academy, because we're incorporating EdTech to our classroom and make sure that our teachers can use all these technology effectively. Without delay or wasting much of your time, let's just dive in. I'm going to share my classroom with you. I have already taught you how to create your own assignment. Today, we're going to look at how to create your own quizzes. And let's get started. So quickly, this is my classroom. For example, you can see this is a new class I have created, KCA Movers A1, Unit 1 Grammar, Unit 1 Writing, Unit 1 Speaking, Unit 1 Listening, and then Reading. In Reading, I have created a quiz. In Reading, it's here. And I don't want to take you there. I just want to take you to where you can create your own quizzes. I have taught you how to create your own topic. How I created all these topics to arrange and organize my work is to come to this topic and then create a topic. But we are not creating a topic now. We are creating quiz assignment. So I will click on quiz assignment. Now it has opened quiz assignment. All right. So I'm going to write grammar, unit 1, grammar. I'm going to make this quick, although it will take like 10 minutes. Unit 1 grammar. You can put the instruction, answer all questions. Okay? Okay? Answer all questions in the start. All questions. All right? Full stop. Now you can see a Google form here. Click on this Google form. That's where most of the work will be done. You can see that you can attach your exams directly here. Any photo, any YouTube link, any link, whatever link you have, any create, you can attach whatever link you have here. So that's not what we're going to do. We're going to go to blank quiz. I'll click on blank quiz. It will open. Now, when it opens, what I want you to do, when it opens, you see here, there is this icon. It is called add-ons. Add-ons. This is where you're going to get your Google Forms or you get your Google Form Builder. Because you're going to, if you say you're going to type the exam manually, you can do that. You can write the question and then add options. All right, for example, write question 1. Okay. Ahmad. I'll put the dash, 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 dash. For example, for question 1, a boy. For instance. Now I'll put options here. Is. I'll add another option. Are. Okay. Okay. Are. You can put any option. Like we have 3 options here. So let's leave it this way. Now you look here down here, answer key. Before we go to how you're going to use, I'm going to show you how to do it manually. And here you select the multiple choice or single answer question, short answer question, or paragraph or multiple choice. So we're selecting multiple choice for this one, but you can make different different kind of question format. So I click on this answer key, all right, and then click on is. So that means if the student choose is, then it will automatically be graded, okay, that he got this point. Another important thing is this point. You need to make a point. How many points is this question? I can say 1 point. I can say 2 points. Okay, then I'll say done. When I say done, that is not all. I will add required here. You can see required down here. I will add required. So this is how to manually create your own quiz. Okay, this is how to manually create your own quiz using the Google form. Here I will change it to Unit 1 grammar. Don't worry, this is always like this. Unit 1 grammar. Okay, Unit 1 grammar. All right, I can come here, grammar quiz. All right, I don't want this video to be long. In the other video, I'm going to show you how to create it using using AI and other components or other tools. Unit 1, okay, grammar. Okay, Unit 1, grammar. So you see, this is how to manually create it. If you want to add another question, you come to this plus sign. See, I click on this plus sign. I can now add another question. Okay, okay. Let's say I and Ahmed. I'll put brothers. Okay, all these are grammar questions of verb be. Full stop. Now I can put the options are, is, is. Example. Now I'll come to answer key. Okay, select are, for instance, and then add the points. This will automatically grade it for you when the students select the correct answer, and then add the required. This is also very, very important, all right, in creating your own quiz. So this is it with regard to creating your own quiz. I'm going to make this video short. We will continue in the next video. I will stop this video, and then we will continue in the next video on how to use add-ons in order to make your life easier and create all the questions at the same time without delay or wasting much of your time. All right, we are going to stop here, and we will continue in the next video so that this video will not be too long. I will allow you to practice and practice with this one now before we move on to the next session. Okay, thank you.